Hey guys, it's Lucas, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through on the problem of Facebook account disabled for 30 days. I'll be discussing some of the reasons why Facebook may have disabled your account, and we're going to go over some of the things you can do to probably fix that. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to our browser. And in Google, we're going to just type in, why is my Facebook account disabled? And we're going to go to this first link here, which opens up the Facebook Help Center. This is probably from some FAQ page, and essentially it just kind of tells you why your Facebook account might have been disabled. And some of the reasons include posting content that doesn't follow the Facebook terms, using a fake name, impersonating somebody, continuing behavior that's not allowed on Facebook, and contacting other people for the purpose of harassment, advertising, promoting, or other conduct that's not allowed. Okay, so if you scroll down, it says, what can I do if my Facebook account has been disabled? And they say if you think that it's disabled by mistake, you can use this form to request a review. It says, keep in mind that in some cases, we may not issue a warning before disabling an account. We also can't restore accounts that were disabled for severe violations. And if you want to know exactly what is the definition of severe violations, you can click that link there. But essentially, is any type of criminal activity, human trafficking, exploitation, any of that, sexual content. So be aware that if any of that was done, there's no way of getting your account back. Okay, but anyway, so you can go to this form to request review. And here it says that you can submit more information here for up to 30 days after your account was disabled. So here you're just going to type in your email, your full name, and your ID as well, if possible. So yeah, you just go ahead and fill that out and hit send. So you go ahead and submit that, and Facebook will get back to you in a matter of a few days. And hopefully you'll be able to get that resolved as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.